Hello there YouTube. Today I'm gonna do a video about my everyday carry and a video about Kubotans. First off, I'm gonna start with the video about the everyday carry. First item is my keys. So this is it. I have a little pocket knife on it and a whistle and a bottle opener, and of course a Kubotan on there. I've added this piece of rubber on it to give it a lot of grip. This is the way how I attach it with the key on here so that it can be taken off easily. So that works really nice. Also I have a cell phone, but I'm filming with it right now. So I have this map with my credit card stuff in it. Also mostly I have this multi-tool in there, so which is really useful. I use it a lot of times. So also I have this pocket knife in there when I'm going outside. Sometimes I find a nice piece of wood and then gonna make a decorative item from it or something like that, just when I'm bored. So also when I'm outside in the dark, I have this flashlight with me. And this holster. Also I have a belt with me most of the time. This one. And lately I'm wearing this one. Just a leather belt. Well, that was it for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.